Hello everybody, this is Stephen Gardner. I still have no money in my bank account from the stimulus program, and maybe you are in the same boat. And if that is the case, I am so sorry. I just want to say I know how frustrating this is, and it's scary, and I hopefully have some ideas to share with you. I'm just going to walk you through what I'm going to do. And some of my thinking, I hope that it will help. I'm trying to be of help. I'm not a professional tax advisor, but I'm doing a lot of research. I'm a best-selling financial author, and at the same time, just like other businesses, this has hit me over the head like a hammer. So my business is basically shut down. And now I'm just doing my best during quarantine to be helpful to people. And I'm going to continue to bring you guys awesome smart money tips, just like I always have. So welcome to the channel. If you're just finding me for the first time, if this is you coming back, thanks for coming back. If you're not a member of our money community, please consider subscribing right now. Okay, so I still have not seen my money. I've been looking at my bank account. Maybe twice a day. I'm trying not to obsess over it. But I just want to know, if you have received your money, would you mind just saying you have, and if you did your own taxes, or if you didn't file a tax return, or if you had to go in through the government website. So far, my opinion of the government website is that it's inefficient, it doesn't work, and it's very frustrating. But just to give some hope to other people, if you've received your money, please leave a comment below. Okay, so here's my plan. I don't usually make videos on Sundays, but I'm just trying to be helpful to people. This coming week, probably tomorrow, I've already reached out, but I'm actually going to go meet with a professional tax advisor, okay? My business and myself. I have a CPA that I have used for almost a decade now, and so we're going to sit down and we're going to figure out where this thing's gone wrong, okay? You might need to do the same thing. You might need to call a tax professional in your city, have them review your taxes, or give you a professional opinion. They may or may not charge you a little bit. It probably wouldn't take a lot of their time. But for me, I'm going to go see a CPA. I'm gonna go figure out what's going on, okay? I am also going to continue to check the IRS website, okay? Now, if you don't have it, it's irs.gov, G-O-V, /coronavirus/economic-impact-payments. I will put a link in the description below, but you can go there for two reasons. The first one is get my payment, and you can enter in your information, and basically based on your name, your address, and your social security, these are called key indicators, they're going to be able to look you up in their system. In my case, they just keep saying, we don't know if you're eligible. We don't know what's going on, right? So there's a breakdown in communication somewhere. The other thing is for non-filers, and we'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute, you may need to go and just file a simple return, okay? So I'll go over that here in just a minute as well. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do, because the government has shut me down and made it nearly impossible for me to do work, and so my family wants to get that stimulus money just like you want to get your stimulus money. Okay, some research that I've done, and again, I'm just bringing you information based on my videos. I've not been able to get to all the comments, so I apologize about that. I usually like to get back to everybody, but you guys are blowing up my message feed, which is good. Just be kind. There's some mean things that have been said, but okay. So a common thing that I'm seeing is Jackson Hewitt, H&R Block, TurboTax. I haven't received my money. Again, if you are with these services and you've received your money, will you just leave a comment and give us some ideas or hope or ideas of what you did? But what they're saying is that your money should come through with no problem, okay? But then in other parts of their website, they say that if you had a prepaid card it will go back onto that prepaid card at some point. And then at another point on their website, it says that if you had your fees advanced or deducted from that card, then that money won't go on, and you need to file a simple return either with them or through the IRS website that I mentioned, and that will get the IRS your banking information. Okay, they want to direct deposit this. They want to get that money out. They want you to pay your bills. They want you to go out to eat. They want you to get this money. Okay, the other most common thing that I'm seeing here is social benefit programs, such as Social Security recipients, SSI, SSDI, or disability. Okay. If you're mad that you haven't received your money, it's been publicly stated that about the middle of this coming week, okay, so today is the 19th, the middle of this coming week, social benefit recipients should start to receive their money. So if you're frustrated that you haven't got your money and you're on a social program, you've just been, you just had to have been patient, right? They haven't released the money, but that starts this week. So if you put in a message, where's my money? I'm on this program. Just know I'm probably not going to respond, because you shouldn't even start getting money until the middle of this coming week. Okay, so it is coming, and according to the IRS website, if you made less than $12,200 in 2018 or 19, you do not need to file a tax return, but you may want to file a non-filer simple return. If you are on Social Security Retirement, SSDI, or SSI, or Railroad Retirement or Survivor Benefits, you do not need to file a tax return. They already have your money, and they already know where to send it. It just hasn't started yet. Okay? So, I know that this is scary and frustrating, but your social benefits money should be coming as regularly scheduled. This extra money just hasn't started yet. So it's not that you're being picked on or left out or anything like that. It should be coming about middle of this week, okay? As far as a second stimulus program goes, there's going to be something. I don't know what it will be. You're welcome to go on and look at my last video. It has 138,000 views with over 2,000 comments. Again, I'm not going to be able to get back to everybody. But as of right now, they are looking at some kind of multiple month program, and it would be for people that are working. It would be for people that are on unemployment. It would be for people that are on social benefit programs. They want to get that money out. They've just got to figure out how to come up with it, you guys, because there's no such thing as a free lunch. So at some point, someone's got to pay for this, okay? And that could be through higher taxes. That I don't know what they're going to do, but right now they've got to get money flowing and hopefully get the economy reopened, before summertime, or else we're heading for another Great Depression. That is what it is, right? So, but that second stimulus package is going to go through a couple of different drafts, and then they will, come together and figure something out. I'm hoping that there'll be bipartisan agreement and they'll be able to work through things, and I'm hoping that they'll just keep the American people in mind. It makes me mad as a small business owner. I'm not going to be able to apply for the PPP or the EIDL because it's run out of money, and yet companies like Ruth's Chris got over $20 million. So yeah, that definitely did not help small business owners very well. Okay. If you're not subscribed to the community and you want to get updates on stimulus programs, getting the economy reopened, smart money tips, budgeting, getting out of debt, how to make passive income, please consider joining the money community. I'm here to help and want to be an advocate and a helper during this situation. Okay, the last thing is, please consider giving this video a like. YouTube does not share videos that get low amounts of likes. So please, just as a favor to me, I'm giving this information for free. Just give this video a like if you found it helpful. That way YouTube will share it. And then just last thing, you know, I know that this is scary. I know that this is frustrating. I know that people are worried about running out of food or you know, how am I going to get a job? All I can say is hang in there. I've been through this. I went through this with the Great Recession, losing jobs, having to short sell a house. You know, these big hits, they're just, you know, they're curveballs that for the most part you don't see coming. So keep your chin up. God bless. Leave a comment, subscribe, give it a like, and I'll see you on the next video.